How to delete a family group on Google. This tutorial shows you how to remove your Google Family group directly from your Android device. First, open the Google app on your Android device. Make sure you're signed in as the family manager, as only the manager has the ability to delete the group. After that, tap your profile icon at the top right and tap Manage Google Account. From there, tap on Family right at the top of your account management page. This is where all your Google Family settings are managed. At this point, you'll see your existing family group. Tap on your name since you're the family manager. Following this, scroll down and tap Delete Family Group. Your device will then ask you to verify your identity. Confirm using your fingerprint or PIN to proceed. Once verified, a final confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Confirm to complete the deletion. Keep in mind, once the family group is deleted, all members will lose access to any shared benefits, including shared subscriptions, Google One storage, and family payment methods. So make sure everyone in the group is aware before going ahead. And that's it. If this guide helped you delete your Google Family group, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next one.